What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through how to remove the rear taillights on the Kia Seltos 2024 step by step. I'll keep it simple, clear, and straight to the point so you can follow along without any confusion. Alright, let's get started. First thing you want to do is open up the trunk. Once you're back here, you'll see the inner trunk panel. That's the cover we need to remove to access the taillight assembly. This panel is held in place by a couple of screws and several plastic clips. Go ahead and remove the screws first, then carefully pop the clips out. Take your time here. You don't want to break any of them, especially if you plan on putting everything back together later. Once the panel is off, you'll now have a clear view of the inside of the taillight area. Next step, locate all the mounting bolts. Depending on the trim, you might see a few of them holding the taillight in place. Use the right tool and start removing them one by one. I recommend keeping the bolts in a safe place so you don't lose anything. After all the bolts are out, we move on to the wiring. You'll see the electrical connectors attached to the taillight. Press the tabs and gently disconnect them. Don't force anything. If it doesn't come out easily, double-check the clip. Now that everything is disconnected, you can carefully pull the taillight out from the outside. Use both hands and apply even pressure. It should come out smoothly without too much effort. And that's pretty much it. The taillight is fully removed. If you're replacing it or installing a new one, just follow the same steps in reverse. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like and consider subscribing for more simple car tutorials like this. And if you've got any questions or run into any issues, drop a comment below. I'll do my best to help you out.